Peace. What's up, crew? If you like tech and you're new, then this is the right channel for you. Go ahead and talk about today's video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Vankyo C750 headset in a whole lot of detail. Now these are Vankyo's newest noise cancellation headphones. Now they are over-ear headphones with a hi-fi stereo bass, 30 hours of playtime. So we're gonna take a look at these in a lot of detail. If that sounds like something that's fun to you, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and let's get notified so you can check out more videos just like this. So I'm gonna go and cut the box and just see what this thing is saying on the back of here. Right now it says that we are getting active noise cancellation for about $59.99. So these are the most inexpensive headphones with noise cancellation, active noise cancellation. So it has the ANC button, has the undeniable premium sound, it has the QCC chipset, the wireless technology, the 40mm drivers together create an outstanding sound, clear and crisp calls, the CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology, which ensures clear calls when outdoors or in a noisy environment, and the comfy fit. Okay, so that was a nice clean cut. Then we have one more right here. Bang. Lift this top off of this box. Let's just see what we're getting. I'm excited to check out some new stuff. Let me put this off to the side. And you're greeted with the headphones up top. So let's just see what we're getting right here. Wow, so you get this really nice travel case. That's real leather. Well, it smells really nice. It smells really clean. It has the Vankyo. It also has Cystereo right there across it. So everything's gonna be inside of this case for your headphones. And what I like about this case is that it's going to protect your headphones during travel. And you can take a look at these headphones. We're gonna lift these up. Let's take a look at these soft cups. So you can see that these are extremely soft, baby bottom smooth and really, really soft. That is gonna be some really comfortable earphones. So those cups are really soft. You're getting a nice, you get the logo right here which says ANC at the top. Inside, you're getting the noise cancellation, Cystereo noise cancellation headphones 750, and it has all the branding inside here. These are looking really premium. It also tells you left, and it does also tell you right on that cup. Now let's turn these around because you're getting the off and on switch for active noise cancellation. You're also getting a port right here for USB. Micro USB. You also get the option right here for the 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as the off button and volume up and volume down. So let me just go ahead, put these on my head, see how these actually fit. Whoa. The passive noise cancellation is when it blocks out what you can actually hear without any music on, and that actually blocks out a lot of surrounding noise without any music on. You can jog in these. They're not gonna actually come off of your head if you're jogging, but I wouldn't like box in these or play basketball or something crazy. But not only that, you're getting a velvet pouch. Now this, that is actually really smooth. This reminds me of my bathroom robe right when I get out the shower. It's really soft texture. This is gonna be really nice for traveling as well. You're getting noise cancellation headset, a user manual right here, and then you're also getting the contact info. So if you have any problems with this headset, they're gonna basically let you know how you can fix it. Now you can see all of the information that you actually would need to know is inside of this manual right here. Just see what else is here, which looks to be the cable for connecting the earbuds to the 3.5mm headphone jack, 3.5. And you got this nice little cable cord, which is like, it's not just like a elastic band. This is actually a premium band here, so that's crazy. And then they offer you another band right here for the other USB as well. So shortly after, now you can go into your Bluetooth settings right here, and we're gonna just go ahead and hit, you know, refresh, so we can get some of our options here for Bluetooth right here. All right, you hear power on and then a long beep, which are the VANKYO Cystereo 750s, the noise cancellation, active noise cancellation headset. Let's go ahead and turn these on. They do stay connected. Battery level is at 80%, and these are gonna offer 30 hours, guys, of battery. So well over the threshold of what you need in a day. And they have that 33 feet of distance before they disconnect to your actual handset. Look, look. All right, so that's all the way up on the earphones. Now you can turn it up on here to get the most out of your music. All right, so these sound really good. Let's turn this on and see what the difference is. There we go. Hey, what's up, guys? So these are the headphones right here. You can see that they have this feature where you can actually move them flat on your collarbone, so they fit really snug on the collarbone. Let's toss these on. I might do a quick jog right now, so I just want to test out the active noise cancellation while we are outside. Let's see if I could put them on with one hand. Oh yeah, we can. They also have a play pause button on the bottom. All I have to do is hit that. Where is it? Let me see if I can find it without looking. Nope, here it is. I found it. All right, the active noise cancellation, I finally got it to work. And I can hear myself slightly. All right, now I'm gonna make a phone call. Hey, what's up, Pop? I'm talking to you on a brand new pair of earbuds that I just got, and I just wanted to know if they sound good. Yeah, I'm outside right now. Clear, but you could still tell I'm outdoors. So you could tell it doesn't sound like I'm talking through my phone. That's what you're saying. But it still sounds clear enough for you to hear me. Okay. That's what I needed to know. Oh. Alright, so it's time to come to my final impressions of the Vankyo C750s. Now, these are some solid earbuds. Let me just turn this music off. I'm sorry. These are some solid over-ear headphones. I was using these for a jog, and I was running, and I noticed that the cups were actually super soft, really good comfort. I did notice that my ears started to sweat just a little bit from jogging, but not too crazy. It wasn't like nothing crazy, but if you were gonna work out for more than an hour, I think they would probably be drenched in sweat. So just keep that in mind, that you will have some sweat. Also, I did notice that the sound quality was amazing. I mean, even with the active noise cancellation turned off, you can lock into your music with no distractions. So I did like that. So for $60, these headphones are great for bass. I was listening to some rock and roll. I had some Stone Temple Pilots from the 90s. I was listening to some hip hop, and Alright guys, so the more I listen to these headphones, the more I like them. When I first got them, it's like you have to break them in. When you turn on the ANC at first, it feels like there's a high-pitched sound. And the more you use them though, it goes away and the sound actually just gets better and better. It kind of adjusts to, like, the more I used it, the more that thing that I was having problems with just vanished. Now the sound quality is completely clear. There's no problems with the bass or the ANC. So these are honestly really impressive earbud headphones, actually over-ear headphones with the swivel. Really loud. Let me see. What I do like is that when they're even when you turn them off, this green light stays on to let you know that the battery is still good. So I think that's pretty cool. Also, they do have this swivel, which is really cool for storing them in your bag. Also, right here, it actually lists the numbers it lists from 1 to 9. So you can size it and actually know when they're even on both sides by looking at that little grid. Now that I've used these for about full 24 hours, I gotta say these are definitely worth the money. So if you were looking for some ANC headphones, these headphones from Vankyo are definitely gonna make you happy when it comes to the bass department and listening to all types of music, instruments, vocals, and all types of sound levels. So honestly, I'm gonna give these a big thumbs up and recommend them. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Shout out to Vankyo for sending these out. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'm definitely gonna be listening to these as my main headphones. And so I appreciate you for watching and have a good night. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Hit the bell icon to get notified for all future videos. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.